What's going on, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new starter kit we've gotten in from Joyetech. It's the Joyetech ESPION, and it's got the ProCore X tank with it. This is actually a really cool device, and before we start going into the details, let's go ahead and take a look inside, see what all we get with it. So, of course, first, you're going to have all your different warranty cards. And this is actually pretty cool because the ProCore tank winds up using a different system for talking about the replacement coils. They don't just give you like a straight ohm. They'll give you a code, be like the ProC1 or the ProC1-S, C2, 3, and 4, so on and so forth. So what this card does is kind of give you a little bit of a guide showing you, so if you get the ProC2, it shows you what kind of flavor profile you're looking to get from that and what kind of wattage you want to push. So that's actually pretty good to have on hand, in addition to, you know, your battery safety card, warranty. This is a little quick start guide for the actual tank, and then you've got one for the mod. In addition to all your paperwork, you've got an additional replacement glass in case this one were to fall over and bust open on you. And you get an additional replacement coil right here. And this one is a 0.25, and in here I think I got the 0.5. It's the 0.4. So yeah, so it comes with a 0.4 and a 0.25. So you're going to be able to get, you're going to be able to test it out and see if you prefer using it as your regular wattage mode or if you prefer doing it in temp control mode. So with that being said, let's go on and start talking about the actual mod. It requires two 18650 batteries, which do install right here on the bottom. I can get it open, which I would say that's actually a good thing, because a lot of times with these devices it gets a little hard to make sure that door stays closed. So that is one perk I did notice on this, is the battery door on this seems to have a really good lock. So not only that, but you get a nice, good, colorful LED display. And with that, you even have options of changing your background color. Right now, I just have it set to a simple flat black because, if you couldn't tell, I'm a fan of that color. So that's pretty cool. You can set up your time and date, which a lot of these mods with really nice screens on it have been offering that lately. And it's pretty easy to use. To cycle through your different power settings, what you're going to want to do is hold down this small button right here. And when you hold that down, you're going to start seeing it shift through your different options at the top. So you're going to have options for your regular wattage mode, your temperature control mode, whether that be your nickel, titanium, so on and so forth. Since I've got just a regular wattage coil in here, I'm going to go ahead and put this back on power mode. Cool. Yeah, so at the 0.4, I'm actually pumping this at 40 watts. I'm using Kryptonite Cosmic Fog, so that's going to be a bit of a thicker liquid. So let's see what kind of cloud production we get. Really good clouds. I will say that the coil itself just probably needs broken in a little bit more, but one of the first things I did notice is that this isn't a super flavorful coil on this first little bit. I may just need to break it in a bit more, but at first puff, I'm getting the flavor. It's definitely there, but it feels like some of the other tanks I've tried out in the past few weeks provide a bit more of a bold flavor. So that's just one little thing I noticed. The tank itself, very easy to refill. What you're going to do is you look at the top here, you're going to see a little dot on one side and the ProCore X labeling on the opposite side. What you're going to do is push the side that has the button, the little dot on it, and then lift it up. And that's going to guarantee you access to refilling your liquid on these two fill ports right here on the side. Then you're just going to want to pop that back down and slide it over till it clicks, and you're good to go. The mod itself is really durable. It feels like it's made of really good material. It doesn't feel like you can crush it. It doesn't feel like if you dropped it a couple times it would stop working. The buttons, they don't wiggle. especially your firing button. This is one of the more solid firing buttons I've felt in a good while. So all in all, I can really say that this Joyetech starter kit is well made, and if you're looking for a good durable mod, I would definitely check this out, especially if you're into, you know, your temperature control settings. You're looking for something that's going to output pretty good, because I believe this has an output of, does not specify on the box, but it does right here, has a output of 200 watts, or for the temperature range, it goes all the way up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So you have a whole lot of options with this kit, so I don't think you're going to be disappointed in it. Again, this is the ESPION kit from Joyetech, and if you have any questions about this product at all, just feel free to leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.